Yeah, look at all the clouds.
Oh, not again with the
I
clouds.
don't like it.
Are you going to start on this whole ride of the clouds?
Look at them. I don't like it. Yesterday
They're just big puffy clouds.
Yesterday it was beautiful, not a cloud in the sky. What did we do? We stayed home.
No,
Today,
we charged batteries on a boat.
all right, look at, well, we could have done that today. Look at this.
It's fine. In the
No,
words...
no, it's not fine.
Listen to me.
It's not fine.
No, in the words of NASCAR Nat, look at the clouds, enjoy them, and shut up.
No.
I tried, Nat.
I don't
He's not
like
listening.
that. I don't like even a chance of getting rained on.
There's no rain today.
Stop yelling at me.
There's no rain today.
I don't look. A bath any more than once a month is unnecessary, and I don't like such rude interruptions to my techniques.
Look, if you keep it up, I'm going to get Natalie and her rolling pin, and you're going to be in trouble.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, wow. You get to go.
Do we?
Oh, it's like great.
There you go, booting it up again before the oils are warmed up.
Only a little. Not much.
The piston expands. This doesn't have anything to do with the oil, but the piston expands. And if the cylinder walls aren't at the right temperature that they need to be, they wind up being smaller than the piston. You know what happens then?
All right,
It
go.
scores the shit. Are we going left?
Go. No, go straight.
Okay.
Go. Your turn. Go.
Okay. We didn't have that straightened out before we did what we did. Right?
Hey. Didn't you say the person in the right-hand tire track?
Yeah, but I thought we were going to go left there.
No, we can go left down here. I don't want it to go left on 322 at this time of day.
What's the difference?
I didn't want to. That's the difference.
What's the difference? That was the confusion. You're saying go, and I'm saying, what the hell is she talking about? I got my left-hand turn signal on.
I guess we didn't clarify where we were turning.
I heard you go first. What are you talking about?
Oh, Lord.
I thought we were going left.
I thought we were going left down here.
Well.
Miscommunication.
Yeah.
Again.
Well, it's good neither one of us did anything, because if we did, it would have caused an accident.
I'm thinking we're going to turn down here at the light.
This is how motorcycles run into each other. We don't need cars for this. Just and trucks. Just motorcycles. Miscommunication. Oh, no.
Yeah, I figured we were turning down here, not back
well,
there.
you figured. I figured. We both figured.
See, we both figured something, but neither talked to each other.
I thought we were going to go left. All right. We're all over it now. Till the next fuck up.
Yeah, I'm like, why aren't you going? Because we had talked the other day about, in that situation, that the bike in the right-hand tire track
I understand.
goes ahead, and then I fall in behind, and I'm like, what is he doing?
I had my left turn signal on.
I didn't even see that.
You say, go ahead. What the fuck is she talking about?
We are starting this ride out great.
Yeah, I know. We don't need an idiot coming up behind us and passing both of us.
No, we're screwing up our own.
Yeah, weaving in and out of us. Yeah. We could create our own monsters.
Yes, we create our own problems. We don't need anybody else's help, that's for
Yeah.
sure. That's for sure.
Yeah, miscommunication can get you hurt. Yeah, it does.
Oh, that's funny.
This is why I like leaving some room between you and I.
Yeah, but sometimes
you're free to do what you want to do, and I'm free to do what I want to do.
Sometimes you leave way too much room, and that's going to bite our ass one day.
Yeah, well, way too much.
Well, it's going to bite your ass.
No, it's not, because I'm ready for it.
Because that asshole going to turn in front of you.
That's fine. I'm ready for it.
Yep. All right, we're making a left at the light.
There's a choice there. I either tangle ass with you or I watch the idiot getting ready to make a left. I'll use my instincts on someone making a left between us.
Okay, we're making a left at the light.
All right, your turn signal's not on.
My turn signal is
All
on.
right, voice communication and visual communication necessary.
Okay, we all on board now?
We all?
We all?
It's just thee and me, and I'm not so sure about thee.
Well, we got the peeps with us.
Mm-hmm.
We're taking the peeps for a ride.
Yeah, I'm taking the peeps.